So what is up, guys? It is your boy Andrew Beast 34 here, and today my mom just surprised me with a fidget spinner and a fidget spinner. So today we are going to be unboxing these fidget spinners. I had this same one, but I lost it or something, and then I have this fidget spinner that is completely broken. I have these two are lost, and so is, where is it? Right here. This part is lost, so let's say I hold it, I spin it, it just automatically stops. So right now we are going to be unboxing these fidget spinners. So yeah. Ooh, this is cool. This is the shape of a fidget spinner. I might have to, trace this or something, and I'm going to draw one. I'm going to draw a fidget spinner. Here is the fidget spinner. It is green glitter. To show you all. Where is that? Glitter fidget spinner. It's glitter. Where was it made? Made in China. As you can see, y'all might not be able to see. It's right on the bottom left corner. Wait from y'all. Wait. Bottom left. Yeah, bottom left or bottom right. I don't care whichever one it is. But here is this one. This one looks really cool. And now we're moving on to the next one. Whoa. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to do something. Alright, so let me record this. I'm going to get these somehow put together, and then I'm going to, oh wait, hold on guys. I'm going to spin them together. Get a better angle. I'm going to spin them together, and then I'll show y'all. I need to spin them faster. Alright guys, here is the fidget spinner tower. As you can see, the green one's right there and the red one's right here. You might not be able to see the green one, y'all probably will. But yeah guys, that is the fidget spinner video. So if you enjoyed today's video vlog, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Click that bell, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below you subscribed, and I will heart your comment, and I'll shout you out in the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.